Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In this video, I want to show you a 1950 Chevy Fleetline Deluxe. In this channel, we celebrate the American automobiles of the 1950s. This is a beautiful car. As you can see, it has a mild custom, beautiful dark blue color. Chromes in the car are in excellent conditions. Dual exhaust, 235 engine with dual carburetor, air conditioning, disc brakes in the front, adjustable air suspension in the rear, Mustang II front end. Very nice car. As you can see, the hood emblems has been shaved off to give the car that hot rod look, mild custom. If you guys know about the 1950 Chevys, you might notice that in this car, the column that goes here, the bar that goes here on the front grille has been removed to give it that open look. And also, the bumper has been cleaned up. This is called a California front bumper. Same thing with the rear. Usually they have the push guards here or the high bar protecting the grille. But in this case, as you can see, everything has been shaved off and it looks so much cleaner. It has a visor. The car still has the original radiator, AC condenser, AC compressor. Has been converted to 12 volts, obviously. There you have the alternator. And this is where it gets better. So as you can see, the intake manifold had to be replaced in order to fit the double carburetor. This car from factory, they come with only one carburetor. In this case, it has two 1-barrel carburetor. Much better. More gas, more air means more power. It also has power steering. And this right here, my friends, from California, the people that are into bombs, Chevys, Fleetlines, you guys know what this is. This is Wolf whistleblower. Sounds very nice. In a little bit, once we start the car, we're gonna be showing you how that works. The car has to be turned on because that has to work through vacuum. 235 engine. Take a look at that valve cover gasket. Very nice. EFI distributor for better electricity, better cranking, better performance. 12 volt battery. This car also has an electric fuel pump. This car is for sale. The owner has decided to sell it and he's asking $32,000. The car is located in Miami, Florida, and we can help with transportation and shipping. We have sent many of these Fleetlines to California and Texas and many other states in the West Coast. I want you to take a look at this. Very nice chrome piece right here. This belongs to the Pontiacs. The Pontiacs Chieftain came with that chrome piece that curves down and then up again. Very nice. I like that on the Chevys. Very nice touch. Interior, as you can see, has been redone, but still looks very original, like it came from the factory, except that the material that they use is different. You have the butterfly steering wheel. It's 3-speed on the columns with dual exhaust. Over here you got your lights, your throttle, your push start button. You have the temperature gauge, gasoline gauge, battery, oil, and obviously your speedometer. This car didn't come with a radio from factory. That was an option back then. But inside the glove compartment, there's a radio, CD player that you can connect your phone and play music straight from your mobile device. And then here you have the AC unit. It blows cold. This car was taken to the Florida Keys yesterday, windows up, and trust me, it's a much better ride when you're able to have AC in one of these cars. It has tinted windows. Headliner is excellent. Again, $32,000 for the car. Located in Miami, Florida. Very nice steering wheel, butterfly. These are called butterfly. And then here you have the system for the AC compressor and the airbags for the rear suspension only. So here you turn on the compressor, and then here you let go the air, and you're able to bring down the suspension on the car. That's a really good feature to have, because if you have people in the back of the car, you're able to lift up the suspension or put it tighter. And if you're cruising by yourself, you can release the air from the system, and the car is going to be sitting low. Again, front Mustang II suspension, front disc brakes, drum brakes in the rear, 235 engine with dual carburetor, power steering, AC. If you guys are interested in buying this car, please call the owner. The number is going to show up on the screen. His name is Junior. He speaks English and also Spanish. Very clean trunk. Over here you have a speaker and a sound system. This right here, if you notice, the latch to open the trunk is different to your traditional system. And the reason for that is, hidden inside the gas compartment, you have a switch, not a switch, you have like a switch that you pull out, and then as you pull it out, it releases pressure on the latch, and you're able to open the trunk. That was done to be able to give the car a much cleaner look. As you can see, the 1950 Chevys, they have a handle in the trunk, a chrome handle, and with the keyhole, and that was removed. But in order to open the trunk, they had to put this switch here in order for you to be able to open and close the trunk. And then this, I'm assuming, is for the air compressor, the air line for the compressor, to be able to move it up and down like I mentioned before. Let's go ahead and start the car. That way you can hear the engine running. You can hear the exhaust. Let's make sure it is in neutral. We've got to put the key in the up position. Let's turn off the AC. There you go. This car is converted to 12 volts. The starter has also been replaced to a modern starter. So the engine turns quicker, faster. That gives you a faster startup. I think the job that they did on this engine is second to none. It's the best of the best that I have ever seen in one of these old cars. Sounds very, very nice. Again, $32,000 for the car, located in Miami, Florida, 1950 Chevy Fleetline. Give the owner a call. We can also help with transportation and shipping anywhere in the United States. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe also to the channel, and leave me a comment. I'm going to be reading all of your comments. I'm also going to be replying to all of your comments. What do you think about this car? Do you prefer them like this, with a mild custom, shaved hood emblem, shaved trunk emblem, dropped? Or do you prefer them 100% original? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be reading them. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for your likes and for your support. God bless you all. I'll see you on the next video.